Mag somo jagore riwruok mar jopuonj KNUT Collins oyudoro mondo mi piny owacho ojiw arita e kaunti ma Samburu kaka yo mar singo arita ne jopuonj kod jopuonjre kinde makoro gisomo e skunde makono. Owacho ni ripode mag nok mar arita manyiedhre kaunti no keto luoro kod kihondko e kind jopuonj kod jopuonjre marocho chenro mag somo.
Issues of insecurity, left, right, center, is one thing that is in the lips of everybody in Samburu, up to and including teachers and learners who are affected. Just the other day, 2 are killed, 10 injured in banditry attacks. We want to call upon the government to consider beefing up security. Quite a number of teachers were delocalized to Marsabit County and have not been brought back. While the 41 teachers are still in Marsabit, leads us to more questions than answers. And our position as Kenya National Union of Teachers, these teachers should be brought back to Samburu as soon as yesterday. If a needy place like Samburu can have learners who cannot receive bursary because somebody has gone to court, it's shameful, it's very inhuman.
Pensa kutega watu kwa magari. Na kutega watu kwa magari, na hiyo ni barabara inapitwa. Sasa ujui ni nani ako safe katika Samburu. Mambo ya kupigwa hiyo basi ni kitu inatustua. Kwa sababu wali blash bus, and then nasikia mtu mmoja akaingia